Let me show you what I've done to light up our basketball court. So here in the viewing ear area, you can see we have put up a basketball insignia up there on the wall, and it was actually really simple. So let me show you how I did it. So first off, I drew the pattern on the wall. If you're having a hard time deciding what to create, look up continuous line drawings on Google, and it will have all sorts of things, whether it's guitars, dolphins, basketballs, whatever. There'll be lots of different choices. So once I did that, then I put these clips on, just following along the pattern, and really it went quite smoothly. These clips go in really nice and clip on really well, and that was it. It was a super quick project. You can just see it's really awesome. Lots of different color choices. This is fully waterproof, great for outdoors. It was really flexible, easy to bend and mold in any way I needed to. So it really is very versatile and easy to work with whatever kind of design you're doing. Even overlapping, you can see it clipped on just fine, no problem. There's a couple ways you control this. First, it comes with a remote. Then you can also just click the button that's right on the plug. That will change the color and turn it on and off. So this is also able to connect to Alexa. You download the Lumiere app, and then you can import it into Alexa, so you can say, Alexa, turn on basketball light, or something like that. You can see this is the app right here. There is literally millions of combinations. They have all sorts of different patterns you can choose from, different color schemes, and just really cool. You can also sync it to music. You can make it lighter or darker. Another cool thing you can do is choose, so you can choose your colors here, but you can also choose different sections that you don't want to light up. You can see as I'm clicking them here, or you can change and just choose the little paint color and make each section a different color. So it really is extremely customizable. It also syncs to music and will vibe with that. So really cool. So many things you can do, and just really easy to put up.